Becoming an exemplary leader of the future, harnessing the power of collective intelligence and spiritual union. In an ever-evolving world, the role of a leader has transformed significantly. As we look towards the future, it is crucial to embrace new approaches that integrate intelligence from various domains while recognizing the significance of spiritual unity. To become a successful leader, one must cultivate a deep understanding of collective intelligence and harmonize it with the wisdom derived from spirituality. This article aims to outline the key aspects of leadership in the future, emphasizing the integration of intelligence across all areas, with a particular focus on the union of power and spirituality. 1. Embrace collective intelligence. Leaders of the future should recognize that intelligence exists not only within themselves but also in the collective intelligence of the group. Harnessing the diverse perspectives, skills, and expertise of individuals enables the creation of innovative and well-rounded solutions. Leaders must foster an environment that encourages collaboration, active participation, and open communication to tap into the collective intelligence available. 2. Cultivate a learning mindset. A successful leader must continuously cultivate a learning mindset. With the rapid advancement of technology and knowledge, being open to learning from various fields becomes imperative. Expanding one's knowledge across different disciplines and seeking insights from diverse sources allows leaders to approach challenges holistically and make informed decisions. This broad knowledge base empowers leaders to leverage the collective intelligence of their teams effectively. 3. Develop emotional intelligence. In the future, emotional intelligence will play an increasingly vital role in leadership. Leaders who possess emotional intelligence can navigate complexities with empathy, understanding, and self-awareness. By fostering positive relationships and recognizing the unique strengths and needs of team members, leaders can inspire trust, motivate others, and create a harmonious work environment. Emotional intelligence is instrumental in nurturing the spiritual aspect of leadership, as it encourages compassion and empathy towards others. 4. Emphasize purpose and meaning. Future leaders must be driven by a higher purpose that transcends personal gain. They need to inspire and align their teams by communicating a compelling vision that connects to the deeper values and aspirations of individuals. By infusing purpose and meaning into their leadership, leaders can foster a sense of fulfillment, engagement, and collective unity among team members. The integration of spirituality amplifies the sense of purpose, offering guidance and inspiration on the journey towards a shared vision. 5. Embody authenticity and integrity. Authenticity and integrity lie at the core of successful leadership in the future. Leaders must embody these qualities consistently and transparently. Being true to oneself and acting with integrity builds trust and credibility, fostering an environment where individuals feel safe to express their ideas and concerns. Authentic leaders embrace vulnerability, acknowledging their limitations, and seek opportunities for personal growth. Spiritual union reinforces the values of authenticity and integrity, enabling leaders to lead with humility and fairness. 6. Practice mindfulness and self-reflection. In the fast-paced and complex future landscape, leaders must prioritize mindfulness and self-reflection. By cultivating mindfulness, leaders develop the ability to be present, focused, and aware of their thoughts, emotions, and actions. This self-awareness allows leaders to make conscious choices, regulate their responses, and make decisions aligned with their values. Regular self-reflection facilitates personal growth, learning from experiences, and strengthening the spiritual connection within oneself. Becoming an exemplary leader in the future requires integrating intelligence from various domains while recognizing the importance of spiritual union. Leaders who embrace collective intelligence, cultivate a learning mindset, develop emotional intelligence, emphasize purpose and meaning, embody authenticity and integrity, and practice mindfulness and self-reflection will pave the way for a new era of transformative leadership. By harmonizing intelligence from all areas and embracing spirituality, leaders can inspire and empower their teams to achieve extraordinary outcomes while fostering a sense of interconnectedness. Thanks for watching. We are all one #ECO.